Greetings, readers. Welcome to the first of our new Chilton Public Library staff book chats, where we will periodically feature different books in our system available to check out. I am Glenny, the director of the Chilton Public Library, with today's selection from our recently purchased collection, currently on display, called Black Authors, Black Lives. Recently, the library was able to curate this assortment of books, audiobooks, and DVDs by Black authors about Black lives in America because of a very generous donation by Chilton community member and library card holder Deb Shaver. So many thanks to you, Deb Shaver. Appreciate it. Now, do you like historical fiction? Maybe you do. Do you like historical fiction with an unexpected splash of magical realism that surprisingly enriches? Well, today's pick is the 2017 Pulitzer Prize winning novel about slavery in America. There it is. It's called The Underground Railroad by Colson Whitehead. It tells the compelling story of smart and resilient Cora, a third-generation slave on a Georgia cotton plantation. And certain that the horror of plantation life will only get worse, she flees with a young man who knows how to reach the Underground Railroad. In powerful, precise prose, at once spellbinding and ferocious, this book follows Cora's incredible journey north, step by step. Interspersed throughout the central narrative of Cora's flight are short chapters expanding on some of the lives of some of the people that she meets along the way. These include brief portraits of the slave catcher who hunts her, a doctor in South Carolina, and her mother, whose escape from the plantation when Cora was a girl has both haunted and galvanized her. This story is literature at its finest and history at its most shocking. This is a highly recommended work that raises the bar for fiction addressing slavery. Whitehead continues the African-American artist's inquiry into race mythology and history while with rousing audacity and razor-sharp ingenuity. It really is a masterpiece. Would that this novel were required reading for every American citizen. Might you be its next reader? I look forward to seeing you at our next book chat, where we will feature the 2020 release, My Vanishing Country by Bakari Sellers. This is a memoir, 2020 memoir. Ooh, I'm learning. Whoa. Here. There it is. And we have this also available for checkout, so I'll be previewing this next time, sometime soon. All the best to all of you. Take care. Bye now.